Brutal. This one word describes Egyptian geese fights perfectly. There are no rules, no tactics, and no ritualistic displays when it comes to these birds fighting. Here, these two have locked beaks and are using their wings to beat each other down. Cleverly, they actually appear to not simply wing beat at each other, but also push the other down into the water, almost as if they're trying to drown the other. Intense fights like these usually occur over mates or when one individual enters the territory of another. This may be a combination of the two, since there do seem to be a couple of bystanders who engage in a brawl of their own just out of shot. These kinds of fights have some pretty significant consequences. Feet, necks, and wings are most vulnerable, which, if injured, leave the geese with obvious issues. The other consequence is that of feather loss. Feathers can easily be pulled off in the scuffle. If flight feathers get damaged, it can leave the geese extremely vulnerable to predators for several days, if not weeks. They would literally be sitting ducks. Luckily for the Egyptian geese, they have the safety of the water, which they can retreat to, and have a very loud, somewhat irritating call to keep potential threats at bay. The other not so obvious consequence is one of a different kind of loss, the loss of a mate. While these two were fighting, it seems that another goose swooped in and, after a little scuffle with some resistance, took off with the female bystander unbeknownst to the fighting pair.